This tiny plug keeps your power adapters nice and stuck so they don't fall out of loose outlets. Plus, you'll be able to see your outlets even in the dark. This is the highest rated space-saving ironing board that folds in half with legs that pop out. So you can use it on any table or countertop as a storage cubby for your iron or steamer and can easily be stored in a cap or closet for next time. These are cologne pumps where you can take out cologne out of any bottle and store it in your own separate vial to carry around. This thing that shaves the pilling fabric off your old clothing, making it look brand new yet again. This is a self-drying mat that quickly soaks up liquids that you can use when washing dishes for the coffee station and can also work under your pet's water bowl. This tiny vacuum has crazy suction charges via USB-C, includes 3 attachments for all scenarios, and the base station keeps them organized. Instead of all this, you could just use this. It has 1 USB and 265-watt USB-C ports that are strong enough to charge a laptop. This is a measuring spoon with a built-in slider to automatically fill bottles with protein powder and baby formula without spilling. My fave, organizers to neatly store spices, vitamins, medicine bottles, and to access what you need, just pull out. This is a mop that will literally mop up any mess in your house, and it'll also clean itself.